Po, Secretary Manny Piñol ng Mindanao Development Authority. Nandito po ako ngayon sa boundary ng Maguindanao Province at saka Lanao del Sur. That way leads me to Lanao del Sur. Over there is the town of Matanog ng Maguindanao Province. The reason why I stopped to film this short video is because I wanted to emphasize the change that has come to Mindanao because of the signing of the peace agreement between the government and the Moro Islamic Liberation Front. It was unthinkable before, unthinkable para sa akin, lalo na ako. Kasi perceived ako na number one enemy ng MILF for so many years na when I was governor of Cotabato. It was unthinkable before, for me, na dumaan sa lugar na to at this time. It's 8:25 in the evening. And papunta ako ng Ipil, Zamboanga, Sibugay. Siguro darating ako ng Ipil na mga alas 2 sa madaling araw because I'm going to Urutanga Island tomorrow. Kaya gusto ko ma-emphasize na itong area na ito ngayon, makikita nyo may truck na dumadaan. May cargo truck na dumadaan at this time. Before, hindi nadadaanan to. Ito yung battleground, Bandaron yung battleground. Nandun yung Camp Abubakar, yung kampo ng MILF. No? So, nung araw, a few years ago, wala pa yung MILF GRP agreement, yung Bangsa Moro Organic Law na nag-create ng Bangsa o Moro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Hindi mo madaanan itong lugar na ito at this time. So ngayon, I would like to assure the people of the country, those living outside Mindanao, that change has come to Mindanao, peace has come to Mindanao, and we could freely move around, especially me. And this is something that we would like to thank the President for. Thank you for working on that peace agreement with MILF. Now, progress will come to Mindanao because we have peace.